Welcome back to my channel, fam. Yeah, so we are at Driven Cave, and today's ride is gonna be a breakfast ride to a dam which is near to us. It would be like probably like 70 to 80 kilometers from here, and we got a pretty good lineup here. We are waiting for a few more peeps once they are here.
Pace up, slow down, and if you find any kind of pothole coming up, you can just indicate that with your shoes, okay? Use your toes, not your hand. Do not remove your hand from the throttle. Make sure that you abide by that. And make sure that your finger does not give any kind of hand signal because it will confuse. Because you will be giving hand signal as well as the finger. And
This is just a small, like giving instructions towards the right bit. For the first time with these REV Soul guys. I do know Karan and few other people, but to be sure, like the actual group, the REV Soul, and this would be my first time riding with this group. So let's go. Just hoping to see I'm sorry, this was a close call. We are just gonna follow there. Once we are with the team, we can maintain a constant speed around a 60 or 70. Actually, it seems that there is a sound check going on. And there is a sound check going on at Moinabad. Done marshalling a couple of times, and doing marshalling is a very tough job. We riders do ride, but the hard work that the marshals and the leads do is like the level 2. We have to see how this ride goes. I'm praying to the God just there should not be any sound checks and all that, because if they do a sound check, my bike is on straight pipe, it would be around 120 decibels of sound. Controlling over the bikes and all that stuff, they do help a lot. There we go. See, that's the simple. See, that's how we ride during the rides. There should be a proper discipline for us, proper what we call like in school. That's the music for me. That's the music. That is the music, bro. We are on the correct direction. And let them go, let them go. Once I see these traffic trucks, I get very worried about them. He's Abhishek, my friend. See how hard it is while marshalling. And it's often, guys, if you are getting a responsibility of at least 10 riders itself, it would be a very hard job to carry on. You got it right. We should follow all the instructions to be safe. Once I am on the highway, I will see you guys there. Chalo, right. Going in line about 20 to 30 riders is like just an cinematic shot for me. You saw the marshal, right? Yes. He does this all the way around the trip. Don't break the line. And this would be my first time going to this dam, but I have done this road many times, not to the dam exactly. This is on Mehdipatam road, Mehdipatam to Kokapet. Yeah, Mehdipatam to Kokapet road. See, this is my friend Sai Kiran wearing an XBHP anniversary edition. The pillion is his friend from his office. We're just ripping the throttle. It feels to be in heaven, bro. Really, trust me, it feels to be in heaven. Ford पे लगाया भैया स्पॉइलर समीर अन्ना. Not a problem. We go smooth on the throttle. We be in the tribe. And there's the signal. Let's make it two. Chalo. Seen like 4 350s are of my friends, and don't know, out of 25 to 30 riders we have today, and the classic 350s are 4 or 5 among all of them. I'm sorry, I didn't had a good sleep yesterday. Please don't do riding if you're not having a good sleep, because I do a night shift. I get like, I am habituated for not sleeping for a while. We have crossed the city with just more 5 to 6 kilometers. We will not have any sort of traffic. Yeah, I'm just roping my bike at 60. I'm like controlling myself, because when we are with a team, we do have a responsibility. We should be a team player. If I would have, like, I wanted to rip a bike, then why would I be doing a group ride? Why would I be doing a group ride? See the passion, how he handles. This is my favorite color in the Duke, which is metallic grey, I suppose. Look at the farms, look at the fresh air that we are getting in here. Oh God. Need to go like this for it feels so good to do. That music though. We need to take a left from here. Don't know, there is some small confusion here. We need to take a left turn. Okay, chalo, let's follow the lead. We have a temple here. It's colored. This is on typical village roads. What a beautiful road. There is so much of greenery in here. He's doing an off-roading on a classic 350. That's not bad, but if you are capable of doing it, yes, you can. It's just not a good idea. To get any naked bikes or any faring bikes. We just stopped here at Harida Resorts for having a breakfast, but it seems that today they didn't prepare breakfast itself, as there are no guests. But oh man, I don't know if you are able to see or not. Oh, that is a scenic beauty. Oh, absolute tribute to ice. What I can say, a celebration to our ice. There you see. Maybe there is a place where we can halt our bikes and have a clear look. Again, we are with the team. Actually, my GoPro battery died, so I had to replace the battery. It took me some time, and that caused this gap at the location where I can halt all the bikes. Where is my place? 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 Yeah, here we go. I think there is a way down there. We just need to go there, and don't know if they're gonna love the dam or not. As we can see, it's an incredible view. Connecting it and meeting it then. There is a way.
Today is the end of Monday.
See the scenarios.
कोने से पसीना निकाल रहा है जब भी
It's worth driving this long to get this location. Let me show you the water pipe.